servers. Charles is our favorite. You can use white shark, and I know there are other things exist as well on the market, but Charles is pretty easy to use, and here we are. We set up it in like a couple of minutes, and you see all the networks. And now you can click the login and see what's going on. If you don't see any requests going from there, probably there is a bug on the app. It just
probably your button is detached from any API calls, from any calls.
If you see the request goes to server, but I don't know, 500 returns, you can clearly see that there is a problem on backend. If you see that your request goes to server and some token is issued to you, but there is still nothing going on, then probably the app has a bug that it just does not proceed correctly the token, and there is some UI bug or whatever, client-side bug, right?
And what about if it happens in one browser and not happening in another?
Depends on what Charles shows. I mean, network tab for web. Because things can be different. It can be just really like button is detached on some browser. It just does not fire some code.
Yeah, if it's browser related, so the backend works fine. It means something wrong with front end.
Yeah.
So basically, Charles is the developer tool for mobile applications.
API requests.
Mostly for mobile. You can also sniff Mac OS apps with this. You can see what your Mac actually fires in general. I can see now, I filtered it for Order Me app, but if I clear the filter, you can see that my computer right now is doing many different requests, right? Boom. So it's just for intercepting the network, proxy the network.
And you can do a lot of things with requests like replay, change, and
oh yeah, that's a good point. This is very advanced too. You can not only see the request, you can even set up a breakpoint, for example, and it will stop your request. You can change something there, it will continue the request, and then it will stop the response, and you can change the response, and the changed response will get into your app. So you can play around with how your app works with different responses just by intercepting the connection with Charles and change on the fly. That's a really good point. Also, you can like preset up some JSONs from file, and every time the app will try to hit some back, you can like do sort of studying there. It will just answer with predefined JSONs from your files. So Charles is a pretty advanced thing. Both developers, QA, automation engineers, everybody is using it a lot.
yeah, I would recommend to watch 3 June videos. There is a lot.
Have you worked on one particular one?
It doesn't matter. Watch 10, and just see basic. If you know what you want to get from Charles, like change the request on a fly with Charles. Just Google it, and you will see a lot of YouTube videos.
For this, we need to know what we actually can do.
Or there is a documentation. If you one of those person who knows how to read documentation and always read documentation. Charles has really nicely written documentation, but I know a lot of people never read documentation. They go to Stack Overflow or just Google things.
Because it's easy. Then go through the documentation.
This is very helpful. It's just sometimes really hard to choose from. So it is the real one.
The source of truth always is documentation, the original documentation for the tool. But a lot of people don't understand how to use it, because sometimes it's.
You have to read a lot before you.
And there is a reason for that. So.
You get to answer.
Yeah. So let's first of all do next thing. Let's just remove, please, the database a little bit and clear it up. So I can do it by myself. Yeah, we can delete that. Restaurant, I believe it should work correctly, so it really will clear everything. Because to delete the restaurant from database, it's called relational database, right? It's all the tables are connected to each other with these IDs. So you cannot just eliminate the place without eliminating all categories and dishes that are binded to this place. So let's check. I really don't remember how it works. So if I will send endpoint delete, I don't know, 86, will it do so? Or even 85? Because I know there is an orders there. Not localhost. And next topic is localhost. I will explain what does it mean. Okay, no, it does not work. So yeah, you need to, or I will need to remove, I'll clear that up for you. I will need to remove all dishes, all orders, then all dishes, then all categories, and only then all new restaurants. So basically I can go, I have a database, so I can do it pretty easily. So you should go to dishes, no, order use dishes, so orders is the end one. So I'll just remove everything that was created within a couple of next days, last days. That's enough. From here, there's such big as buckets. Buckets uses orders. Okay.
So we can just do it without running queries?
This is just a GUI for queries. It generates query for yourself. So let me just remove everything that we don't need here. Orders. You can see the SQL preview. So this is what it's doing now for you. I mean, it will take time if I need to write this every time, right? So I just delete all buckets and all orders. Who uses orders?
Задачку решать. It was cool. Solve the task. Задачку решать.
But it's a simple.
Сам задачку.
It's a simple algorithm. They ask simple algorithms usually.
Okay.
But I didn't answer for simple algorithms because I didn't know it. It's been like 5 hours interview in that actually.
But you got it, right?
No, I mean I was trying to switch to the different departments.
For the other position.
Almost done. Sorry guys. We really don't need this mess. And finally we no reserves.